Let's first try solving this question using the formula method. Our objective is to find summation r cube Cr where r varies from 1 to n. Now from my list of formulas I know that rCr equals n times n minus 1 Cr minus 1. R times r minus 1 Cr equals n times n minus 1 n minus 2 Cr minus 2. In both these formula, I cannot get a power of r cube. Hence, I can use the third formula, r times r minus 1 times r minus 2 times nCr equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 n minus 3 Cr minus 3. Here, because of these three r's, I can get a r cube term. Now, my objective is to change summation r cube Cr in terms of summation of r times r minus 1 times r minus 2 Cr. For this, I can first open this term r minus 1 r minus 2. Here I get r cube minus 3r square plus 2r. So simply, if I add and subtract minus 3r square plus 2r from r cube, I can reach r times r minus 1 times r minus 2. Now I can split this expression about this plus sign and this minus sign. So my first term would become summation of r times r minus 1 times r minus 2 times Cr. As we already saw that r cube minus 3r square plus 2r was nothing but the expansion of r minus 1 r minus 2. My second term becomes plus 3 times summation r square Cr, and the third term becomes minus 2 times summation rCr. The limits here would be r belonging from 3 to n. As for r equals 1 and r equals 2, this term would be 0. Here I would have r from 1 to n, and again r from 1 to n here. Now we already know summation of r square Cr equals n times n plus 1 times 2 to the power n minus 2, and summation rCr equals n times 2 to the power n minus 1. While for the first term, I can plug in this formula quite easily. So my first term becomes n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 summation n minus 3 Cr minus 3 plus 3 times n plus 1 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2 times n 2 to the power n minus 1. This summation equals 2 to the power n minus 3. Hence the expression becomes n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 2 to the power n minus 3 plus 3 times n plus 1 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2n 2 to the power n minus 1. I can solve this further to get n square n plus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power n minus 3. Hence option 1 is the correct answer. The solution for this with the calculus method is left as an exercise to the student.